What's up, guys? We got an awesome hunt today. Probably the best snow goose hunt I've ever been on. I just want to describe real quickly what's going on. I went down to Arkansas on Sunday, February 7th to film the Max Prairie Wing Snow Goose World Championships. I was filming a team Wild Goose Chase. They won it last year. A few rules about the competition. You can have 10 people a team. You had from shooting hours Sunday to 1 p.m. to kill as many geese as possible. You had to hunt together in one group, and the birds had to be decoyed. There was 33 teams total in the competition this year, and all the snow geese that got killed during the competition got donated to Arkansas Hunters Feeding the Hungry. This is and probably will be one of the best hunts I ever go on. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get into it. Hunter says enough talking, let's get to setting, boys.
Good morning, my name's Rick. I'm the field judge this morning for the team Wild Goose Chase and the Max Prairie Wings World Championship Snow Goose Hunt. And we're in the process now of watching the guys get set up. We're going to check their bags, check their blinds, make sure everything is on the up and up, and have a good time today watching these gentlemen kill these snow geese for this conservation hunt. We're with the team that's the defending champions, so we'll see how they fare this morning in this hunt, but we'll be back and we'll keep you updated on the events of the day.
That's a front right there, Colt. This one here's a back.
It's the day of the competition. We're all excited, got up at 3:30. I think we're all ready to roll. I just wanted to say a few rules of the competition in case y'all aren't familiar. There's 10 people on a team, but I'm just filming. I'm not helping set up any decoys. I'm not helping put any blinds out. I got my blind about 30 yards from them. Yeah, I'm not participating in the hunt at all. I'm just coming to film. It's pretty cold, it's like 40 degrees. Got a north wind at 6 miles an hour. We're pretty confident in this field. There's a bunch of snow geese in here yesterday. So we're gonna get everything else tucked in. We got about an hour and a half till shooting time. Wish us luck. This is gonna be a fun 7 hours.
Oh yeah, probably.
Getting everything moved out of the field. Gonna get the blinds filled. Geese should start flying in about 40 minutes. Coming down to the wire here.
Oh, if it makes you feel any better, it'll take a while.
Oh my God.
Might go ahead and throw a bunch of goofy chills in your wader pocket.
You like that, don't you?
That's a good volley there.
We just had 2 real good volleys. I don't know how many we dropped out of that, but it's quite a few. We got more geese coming. Everybody's out of the blind trying to pick stuff up right now.
Here, let's go, come on, let's go.
We've had so many geese get on us. It's absolutely crazy. We got to be at 100, 150. They're just hanging up in the wind. Perfect. Been pretty good so far.
Been good.
I don't know how many we got.
I bet we're up around 100.
Me too. They're just sitting up there. They can't move in the wind.
I like it, Goose. I like it. Stop. Come on, Jake. Come on, Jake. Come on.
Pretty good spot. Probably won't hunt here tomorrow.
No.
It was good today.
I probably got 25. There's geese everywhere. Come on. Go kill them. Jake, I don't know how many geese you brought back today, buddy,
You done good.
but you're going to sleep good tonight. Might get you some extra old Roy.
What do you think, JP?
Good hunt.
It's been pretty good so far.
Okay.
They coming, boy.
There it goes, dude.
There it goes.
Still moving 3.5 supersonics. We just need 2 or 3 more good bellies.
Those ones at the start when we had wind, we were raining 30 or 40 out of each one.
These done messed up.
My God. Oh my! Man, that gets me just going.
My whole body's goose.
I need shells.
There you go. Hunter, this is the best hunt you've ever been on?
It's the best snow goose hunt.
You're kidding.
No.
Look at these behind me.
That might happen right here.
Yeah, they're right here.
They're about as tall as they were last time. Did that land in the blind?
It did. Rained on that one.
Jake made it back? The amount of shells and empty boxes in here is insane. Get ready, James Scott.
Send him to Colton.
He's still falling.
We still got geese coming. They might have decided they really wanted to do it. Get ready, James Scott.
I need a shell. I need a shell or two. I'm empty. Never have another day. Pick another up. Just need water. There's a lot of good hags. We don't have this stuff. They do it eventually.
They might touch down.
Don't waste any long shells.
Yeah. Coming back.
Is them 20 gauge shells down there? Sit down. I'd let them get tight if we can let them.
Like this. So they just don't
No.
take a break. From shooting hours to 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
I've never seen anything like that.
I'll just let them keep coming.
Oh yeah. I think there's a few of them.
Get him.
We got quite a few out of that little bunch.
Most of them.
That was good.
Another 7 or 8. 6 or 8. I got over half a case down here if you need any. Hellfire!
Hey, look at the trees.
Hey, look over trees. More geese coming. What would you think? Oh wow, we rained those.
That's pretty good. This fish. Powder getting all in your eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We're gonna start picking up geese. We gotta have all the geese counted. The judge has to watch us count it, and then he's gotta call it into max. So we're gonna get everything piled up, bundle them in groups of 10, and start getting a count on how many we got. This is, and probably will be, the best snow goose hunt I've ever been on. And these guys have been doing it for 20 plus years, and they say it's the best hunt they've ever had. We're gonna get these counted up, get picked up, and head on to max and see what the story is on the other teams.
Boy, what a morning. Good
It was
gracious.
good.
I had a bird's eye view too.
You're sitting what, a couple hundred yards
Absolutely,
down
yeah,
there,
it
and
was awesome.
they were saying back there at the lodge, they'd see them start to swarm, and
Right.
they'd start to pick up, they'd hear the gunshots, about 3 seconds later, geese just start falling. No, none of those are counted. None of those are counted. What'd you say?
This is a special day, boys.
We got 300 now.
You may hunt the rest of your life. You remember this day.
Oh,
forever.
absolutely.
You
I
guys are-
already said it's probably the best snow goose hunt I ever may have. To my best guess, I think we shot 10 cases of shells. I think everybody shot a case of shells. That's insane. You think your gun's gonna be all right?
I may have burnt 2 barrels today.
I mean, that blind is just trashed with all sorts. Look at the shells in the tree. Will you all get in this picture? Yeah. All right, 473 is what we called in, so we gotta bust it, get to max, and register these real quick. Pretty good morning.
That's impressive. That's highly impressive. No, I hadn't.
What do you think, Paul?
Good deal.
That was good.
You got it on video, right?
Oh, I got it all on video.
Wait, nobody can kill more than 190 geese over decoys.
Oh well, tell them to tune in to Gucci TV on YouTube in 2 weeks.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Y'all just watch this right here.
Go. This should answer any questions you may still have.
There it is.
That's it.
Look at that pile of geese. That looks good, don't it?
92, 4. All right, we're all checked in at max. We got 473, so we're just gonna wait for the other teams to turn their stuff in and see what happens, but we're sure hoping we won. All right, we're in max right now. The whole group of 10 has got to go take a polygraph test, which is like a lie detector test. They do that with all the winners just to make sure that nothing's fishy. So all of them will have to pass the lie detector test, and it looks like we definitely had the most geese killed. What'd they have you do?
Change you up and ask you a whole bunch of questions.
How many questions were there?
10 or 15.
But you passed with flying colors.
They said I did.
Good deal.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Jake, come here. Yeah.
Hey guys, Chase Milligan here.
Hunter Stafford.
We run Wild Goose Chase in Arkansas and take people on snow and speck hunts, mainly in December and January. When that's over, we like to hunt in the Max World Championship Snow Goose Conservation Hunt. It's the day after the third tournament. We got second place the first year and we're fortunate enough to win it the last 2 years.
This kind of wraps up our season guide, and we get together with a bunch of buddies and have a fun time all weekend and do a little fun hunting for snow goose.
If you guys want to come down and goose hunt with us, December and January, check out the links in the description below. If you guys have any questions, my number is 636-439-8113. Give me a call. I'd love to talk to you about it.
All right, guys, that's going to wrap up the weekend for the Max Prairie Wings Snow Goose Competition. It was a ton of fun. Killed way more geese than we ever thought we would. And I'll be looking forward to coming down here next year with these guys and hunting snows and specks in December and January, and then coming down for the competition, hopefully. This was an absolute ton of fun. It was great to get together with all these guys and just go for a whole weekend and get competitive about hunting. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, check the links in the description below for these guys. There's a lot of content left from down here and up back home for honker season finishing up. We'll see you on the next one.